Side review time. This is a SpruKit. Designed in Japan, posable figure model kit. Here's how it looks. 110 pieces. Level 2 by Bandai. Let's look on the back. Level 2, here's the poses that you can go to. Here's the example. Wabam, boom, figure. And these are easy to snap off and snap together. And easy to follow instructions. They are big instructions, by the way, for this tiny little figure. The box is huge. Why are the boxes huge for these Bandai kits? I don't know. Anyways, here's the box. I'm going to keep it nice and simple. Just roll on the figure out here for you. This is a SpruKit. By the way, I got this from Holler. Hopefully you know what that is. And these figures are from there, and they're fairly nicely priced. I can say no to awesome prices. This is the kit, the model figure. Pretty nice. Very posable. He moves from the head. His hands can move up and down. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Moves up from here and down from there. The arm moves around, swivels. Look at this. Look at the gun. Oh, there it goes. The legs. Hold on. There we go. It bends up like that. The feet move around. And yeah, mostly it. You get some fists and some hands. A gun hand. A fist. You get two fists so he can like punch people. And he stands up. Yes, he stands up. He's like, what am I doing here? Anyways, this is a short, review. I'll be making more of these. Of different kinds of reviewing things. Okay. Thanks for viewing. See ya.